And now, away from the energy sector, we shift focus to agriculture as Nigeria's biosafety authorities have presented guidelines on genetically modified plants with stacked gene and genetically modified fish to researchers for review. The 53 local and international researchers are to assess the guidelines and ensure that the multiple gene application does not have adverse effects on humans, plants, and even the environment. Lara Folayo has the details in this report.
The public presentation of National Biosafety Guidelines for genetically modified plants with stacked genes and genetically modified fish. The blueprint has been shared with 53 local and international researchers for their review and input.
To developers of the technology, that is those who will be developing GMOs, for them to know the procedure that is required for us to ensure there is safety at the end of the product, so that the product can be safe for human consumption and do not have negative impacts.
Is a historic event and is one of many guidelines that actually have been developed by the agency. That's actually the first country in Africa to come out with those guidelines.
The biosafety authorities, promoters of biotechnology in Nigeria, as well as the researchers, say the process is a critical part of ensuring the applications do not become counterproductive after their release.
These guidelines basically will ensure that a procedure is put in place, and we are expecting that all research community that will be doing GMOs complying with the guidelines, so that we can come out and say, let us with products that can be attested to be safe.
It makes it easy for our scientists to have such guidelines, so that they can carry out their work, according to international best practices. At the end of the day, we will have, a document that is not just operational within Nigeria, a document, that has a global outlook.
Many of the guidelines and the policies put forward are so forward-looking and they are very progressive. As a practitioner in this segment of science, I'm really personally overwhelmed with joy.
The guidelines on genetically modified plants with stacked gene as well as genetically modified fish are to guide the procedures utilized by research institutes, individuals or developers in the application of modern biotechnology. It is geared towards ensuring that the adaptation of the stacked gene technology application, which includes the inclusion of more than one gene in the development of any particular genetically modified organism, is safe. Lara Folayo, TVC News, Abuja.